We're gonna start our Awana section off with a fun number. Reminds me when I was little. You know, the aunties would come out, they have their uli uli, and you're like, oh, I wanna do that when I get older. Then they bring out the ipu, and you're like, oh, uli. Oh my goodness. And then you're like, they have puili, ipu, and uli uli. So the dancers are gonna bring you to the island of Kauai, over in an area by Hana Lake. The Hālau Naue speaks of the different types of rain in that area. As you can see, they wear the purple to represent the island of Kauai. We do have fresh puamelia or plumeria on today. And we're wearing the hau, kind of the traditional skirt that you would see with an instrument number. This is Hālau Naue. Oh,